Yeah, Viraz. Trigonometry basically dealing with triangle. Trigonometry, trig means triangle, and metry means measurement. So basically, we are dealing with right angle triangle measurements, right? So in
Hmm.
trigonometry, we generally deals with a right angle triangle, right?
Hmm.
So this is a right angle triangle. Fine. This
Hmm.
angle is 90 degree, right? And this angle is called
Hmm.
theta. So what about this angle? This angle is 90 degree minus theta. Fine.
So I cannot see your screen.
Okay, you cannot see my screen. Just a moment. Now where it is visible. Hello.
No, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Now it is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay, Viras, let me start it again. So the word trigonometry means, right? The word trigonometry means this word is divided into two parts. So trigno and the metry. So the trigno means triangle and metry means measurement. Right? So in trigonometry, we deals with right angle triangle, right angled triangle, right? So
Hmm.
let's draw one a right angle triangle here. So this is right angle triangle. So this angle is called theta, right? And
Hmm.
we can think this is a right angle triangle. So take some measurements like this is 3, this one is 4, so this one is 5. So how I got it? We got it from Pythagoras. So Pythagoras says that k 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So
Hmm.
I got it this, right? So so what we so this is the angle, right? This is the angle, and this measure of this angle is theta, right? And this is the height. This is the height. We can say it is height perpendicular or perpendicular, right? This part is called base. This part is called base or adjacent or adjacent, right? Because this part is
Base.
a base or adjacent, right? And this
Hmm.
part this part is called hypotenuse. So this is what we have learned from our geometry classes, right?
Hmm.
So and measure of this angle is theta, right? So what will be this angle if we take measure
90.
of this angle?
Hmm.
So this angle is actually 90 degree minus theta, right? So how we
Hmm.
got 90 degree minus theta? So sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? And we know the
Hmm.
measure of this angle, which is theta, right? So we need to subtract sum of these two angles with 180 degree. right? So
Hmm.
180 degree minus 90 degree plus theta. So we get here 90 degree minus theta, right? So this is how we got. So now here, here we are going to deal with this angle, right? And later on also we are going to deal this angle,
Hmm.
right? So opposite, this angle's opposite side is this side. This angle's opposite side is this side. So we call this
Hmm.
side opposite also. Call this side opposite. Understood? We call this side
Hmm.
opposite. Now I'm going to give you, you can think that hey, this is, think that this is basically a pseudo code. Basically, you can think about a pseudo code,
Hmm.
right? A code, with the help of that code, you can solve the trigonometrical problems, right? So this code is not the part of trigonometry. This is the part of our learning and my experience.
Hmm.
Okay. So the code is called so ka to, right? And this is very much important, right?
Hmm.
So what is so? So is so is sine. So is sine, and we have this theta, right? Which is equal to which is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? The value of opposite is 3.
Three.
3. And what is the value of hypotenuse? 5. Right? So
Hmm.
this is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Fine. Now next thing is
Hmm.
called ka, C-A-H. So ka, C for cos. C for cos. Cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? 4, and hypotenuse is 5. So you can write here 4 by 5, or you write here adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Now you write here tan. T for tan. What will be tan theta? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 3 and adjacent is 4. So here you can write down opposite by adjacent. Fine. So you can remember the ratios. You can remember the ratios. It's quite easy, right? Right.
Hmm.
Fine. So let's write down. Let's try to understand with the help of similarity also. So so there are two triangles here. Let's draw two triangles. This is a right angle triangle. This one is theta. This one is 90 degree. Right? And this angle is 90 degree minus theta. This angle is 90 degree minus theta. Now we have another triangle. Fine. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, and this angle is,
90.
yeah, this angle is theta.
Hmm.
Now this looks like a straight line. This is 90 degree, and this one is theta, and this one is 90 degree minus theta. So these two
My.
triangles are similar. So the rule of similar triangles, the rule of similar triangles is this: कि if any two of the angles of a triangle is of these two triangles are equal, then we can say that कि these two triangles are similar. Understood?
Mm,
So
mm,
here we can mark it out like this: कि see, this is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D, E, and F. Right? So if the triangles are similar, if the triangles are similar, right, then we can say that okay, their corresponding sides are in the ratios, right? Their corresponding sides are in the ratios. Understood?
mm,
So we can write that by using the similar triangles. Okay, their corresponding sides are in ratios, right? Say for example, okay,
mm.
90 degree minus theta. So we can say that okay, we can write down the ratios like BC by AC. BC by AC is equal to BC by AC. BC by AC is EF by EF by F. Right? We can we can write here this by this, then this by this. AB by AC is equal to DE by DF. Right? This we can write if these two triangles are similar, and we can write here EF EF sorry BC by AB is equal to EF by DE. Right? If these two triangles are similar, then we can write these relationships. Fine. Then you can see that BC by AC is this one is this one is opposite, right? This one is hypotenuse, and this one is adjacent, right? So you can see that BC by AC, BC by AC is opposite by hypotenuse, and EF, this one is opposite, and this one is hypotenuse, and this one is adjacent. This one is adjacent. So you can see that
Mm,
this BC by AC is opposite by hypotenuse, and this is also opposite by hypotenuse. So this relationship says that this is opposite by hypotenuse. You can take any number of triangles, but you will having the same similar kind of similar kind of ratios, right? So opposite by hypotenuse is what? Sine theta. So you can get the measurement, right? So it will be same. The ratios will be same for any number of triangles.
Hmm.
So AB by AC, AB by AC, AB by AC, adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is also DE by DF, DE by DF. This is also adjacent by hypotenuse. So
GF. Hmm.
this represents, this is actually adjacent by hypotenuse. So this represents cos theta, right? And you can take that case BC by AB, right? Is opposite by, it's opposite by adjacent, right? It's opposite by adjacent, and you
Hmm.
can see that EF by DE is also opposite by adjacent. So EF is this line, and DE is this line. So opposite by adjacent. So this ratio represents tan theta, right? So this is how also we can explain um, the ratios, right?
Hmm.
And this ratios will be same. This ratios will be same for any number of or any size of triangle. It won't matter. Understood, right? So now, we can do few more things, like we can study about reciprocal relationships, right? So, let's draw the reciprocal relationships. Relation. Okay. So if we convert sine theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Now if we convert this, if we convert, if we change the ratio, if we change the ratio to hypotenuse by opposite, opposite, then the name of the ratio will also change. It will become cosec theta, right? Understood? So let me do it another way. Sin theta we know that opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta
Hmm.
is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So what is 1 by sin theta? What is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta will be 1 by opposite by hypotenuse, right? So if we write this in, if you want to remove this one, then we write this as hypotenuse by opposite, right? So which is equal to cosec theta. So we can say that okay, 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Fine. So this is a reciprocal relationship. Okay. So sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Fine. Let's draw the triangle also. So this side is called opposite. This is called adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, right? Now let's write down the cos. So cos theta is equal to, cos is ka, right? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent by hypotenuse. So what will be 1 by cos? What will be 1 by cos? So 1 by cos theta is equal to 1 by adjacent by hypotenuse. So that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, right? And this is called sec theta. This is called, this is equivalent to sec theta, correct? So we can say that 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, is equal to sec theta, right? Now next thing is tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, right? Opposite by adjacent, which is equal to, if we do the reciprocal of tan theta, so 1 by tan theta is equal to 1 by opposite divided by adjacent, which is equal to adjacent by opposite. And this ratio, the name of this ratio is cot theta, right? So 1 by tan theta, so 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, right? So we can draw the reciprocal relationship over here. So so cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, right? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Right. So these are the relationships. Right. So next relationship is called quotient relationship. Quotient relations. Right. So here, so let's draw the triangle here. This is opposite. This one is hypotenuse, and this one is base. Right. So the relationship is, so say let's find out sin theta by cos theta, by cos theta, right? So what we will get. So let's give us the name here. So A, B, and C. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is sin theta is BC by AC, right? BC by AC is sin theta. So we can write it like this. Let's make it simple. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Divided by what is cos theta? Cos theta is base or
Hypo.
adjacent. Base or adjacent. Base or adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Ji.
Base cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Right?
Mm.
So now if you simplify this, it will become like opposite by hypotenuse multiply by hypotenuse by adjacent, right? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So you can see that hypotenuse and hypotenuse has got cancelled. So we are left with opposite by adjacent, right? So opposite by adjacent is which ratio? It's actually tan theta, right? TOA, right? Opposite by adjacent is TOA, TOA, right? So we have got tan theta. So sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta, right? So this is one relationship. So now we can find out cos theta by sin theta also, right? So number two will be, so what will be cos theta by sin theta? It's very simple. It's cot theta. Now, hello. So cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is, what is cos theta, Viraj? Hello.
हेलो।
Yes, Viraj. What is cos theta?
तो पता नहीं कनेक्शन, कभी कभी आपका स्क्रीन भी नहीं दिख रहा, कभी आवाज नहीं आ रहा बीच बीच में।
ओके। अच्छा, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, जितना आता है वो सारा तुमको मिल जाएगा, मैंने जितना बात बोला है, बिकॉज इट इज़ रिकॉर्डिंग, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। ठीक है ना? फिर इसको क्लास को बाद में एक बार और देख लेना। तो व्हाट इज cos थीटा बाई sin थीटा? So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse divided by opposite by hypotenuse, which is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse multiply by hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse and hypotenuse have got cancelled, which is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. And this is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is equal to cot theta. Fine, this is the second relationship. So second relationship states that cos by sin cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. The next thing is square relationship. Next thing is square relations. So adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. Right? So we know the Pythagoras theorem. We know Pythagoras theorem.
सब कुछ दिख नहीं रहा आपका स्क्रीन पर।
कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, दिखना तो चाहिए, शेयर्ड है। ब्लैक हो गया क्या पूरा?
अब मैं तो कुछ एकदम फ्रीज हो गया था, अभी वापस आ गया।
अच्छा वापस आ गया। ओके, वरीड वरीड मत रहे, हम तुमको रिकॉर्डिंग चला जाएगा ना तो फिर सब आ जाएगा। ठीक है ना, हम सारा रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, डोंट वरी। फाइन। तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या बोल रहे हैं कि पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, इसको नाम दे देते हैं ए बी एंड सी। सो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम बोल रहा है कि ए बी प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए सी, राइट। तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम बोल रहा है कि दिस इज अ थ्योरम, this is perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. ठीक है। So what we can do, we can find out the relationships by using this, right? So what I am going to do here, okay, divide both sides by AC. Divide both side by AC. So what we get? Sorry, AC square. Divide both side by AC square. So I'll get AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square equal to AC square by AC square. So this AC square and AC square will get cancelled, and this we can write it as AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square, which is equal to 1. Understood? So, so what is AB by AC? So AB by AC is AB by AC is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Ka whole square plus BC by AC is opposite by hypotenuse. Ka whole square is equal to 1. So this implies to adjacent by hypotenuse. So we remember this. So ka toa. So adjacent by hypotenuse means okay, this is a cos relationship. This is a cos relationship. It will give me cos square theta, right? Opposite by hypotenuse means sine relationship. So this will give me sine of theta. So we write here sine square of theta, which is equal to 1. So we can say that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So this is one relationship. Okay. Now we write it again. Okay. So we write the formula again. So we write here again, again AB square plus BC square plus equal to AC square we know. Right? Now divide both side by AB square. Okay. So now let's see what is going to happen. So AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square equal to AC square by AB square. So AB square and AB square got cancelled. So this implies to 1 plus BC by AB whole square equal to AC by AB whole square, right? So again we apply so ka toa. So ka over, right? And this is our triangle, we know, right? Sorry. So this is our triangle, and this is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So this one is adjacent, this one is adjacent, this one is opposite, and this one is hypotenuse. So we apply this here again. So what we get here? We get 1 plus BC. BC is opposite and AB is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent is tan, right? So we write here tan of tan square of theta equal to AC by AB. So AC is hypotenuse, right? AC is hypotenuse and AB is adjacent. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Here the relationship is reverse. That means here we have to use sec theta. What we have to use? Sec theta. The relationship is reverse. So we have to write here sec theta. Sec square theta. Right? So if the relationship is inverse, then we change the name of the ratio. So cos inverse is sec. So we have to write here sec theta, sec square theta. Understood? So again we divide. So we have divided with AC, AB, and now we divided with AB, BC. So again AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, and divide both side by BC square. We get we get here AB by AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square equal to AC square by BC square. So BC square and BC square got cancelled. So we can write this as AB divided by BC whole square plus 1 equal to AC by BC whole square, right? So what is AB by BC? AB by BC is adjacent by opposite, so
opposite.
adjacent by opposite, right? AB by BC, adjacent by opposite. So adjacent and opposite is present in tan, right? But it is in reverse form. It is in the reverse form again. So we have to apply cot theta. We have to apply cot theta, right? So here AB by BC is cot square theta. So this implies to cot square theta plus 1 equal to AC by BC. So AC by BC. AC is hypotenuse and BC is opposite. So again this is reverse. Again this is reverse. So we have to apply here reverse of sign, which is cosec theta, which is cosec cosec theta, right? So here we write cosec square theta. So, so we have a new relationship here, cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. So now we have three equations. No? So, so first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right? Second one is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, right? And the third one we have cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta, right? So these are the relationships, and we are going to use this relationship in this exercise. right? So let me solve few examples for you so that you can understand. So these are important relationships. Trigonometry is one of the easiest topic available in your syllabus. Hello,
Yes.
Viraj. Actually, I'm finding out the book. So let's do few examples. Let me change the. Let's take this one. So here they have given if sine theta if sine theta equal to 5 by 30 and theta is acute angle, and find the value of tan theta, find the value of tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. Right? So can you tell me how to do it? Hello, Viraj, are you hearing? Viraj, my voice is not clear.
बीच में कुछ ही नहीं सुनाई देता।
अच्छा, कुछ टाइम के लिए कुछ भी नहीं सुनाई दिया। और विराज ये सम्स पढ़ा
कुछ नहीं।
और स्क्रीन पे आ नहीं
हाँ
रहा है।
सर, सम्स तो उधर दिख गया।
अच्छा, सम्स दिख गया।
सर बी लेट आ रहा है बहुत, 1-2 मिनट।
अच्छा, लेट आ रहा है। तो तुम्हारा एक बार स्पीड चेक कर दो विराज, कितना है स्पीड।
क्या सर?
बोला था स्पीड चेक करना, स्पीड।
सर क्या देखना है?
इंटरनेट स्पीड चेक कर।
So internet speed.
Mm-hmm. So sun is so so opposite by hypotenuse ratio is given. So opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. So what will be this? So, so adjacent.
Hmm.
So what will be the adjacent? So if you know adjacent, you can write the rest of the ratios, tan ratio and cos ratio, right? So so what will be the adjacent ratio? So we know that k 5 square plus adjacent square equal to 13 square, right? By Pythagoras theorem. So adjacent square is equal to 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144, which is equal to 144. So adjacent is equal to 12, right? So the value of adjacent we have got.
Speed test
So you've done the speed test.
15.4 Mbps.
15.4 Mbps. बाप रे. लेकिन speed is fine, but why this is happening? Check mine speed is fine or not. Mine is fast, but anyhow, 15 Mbps is also fast. I don't know why it is happening. The 15 Mbps is also faster because Skype uses very least amount of data bits. Okay, so we got 12, right? Hello. So we can write down the tan theta. So what will be tan theta? So we write here so ka tova, and we know tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so which is 5 by 12. And we can write down cos theta. So cos theta is, so this is actually 1 by cos theta. So let's write down 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? Because 1 by cos theta is 1 divided by, so cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. So which is equal to 13 by 12. Fine. So we need to find out the value of, we need to find out the value of tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. So that is equal to, tan theta is 5 by 12 and 1 by cos theta is 13 by 12. So which is equal to 13 plus 5, 18 by 12, which is equal to 6 3 are 18 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Got my point? So let's do another example. Example 2. In the adjoining figure, PQR is PQR is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. At if QR if QR is equal to 5 centimeters, then PR minus PQ PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Then the value find the value of sine P, a right angle at Q, and this is R. And they have given me this is 5 centimeter. Right? So R 5 centimeter and PR minus PQ minus Q is PR PR is equal to 1 minus, right? So sorry, 1 plus PQ, not minus, because minus will go that side, it will become plus. So what we can do here, okay, we can write here from the from the right angle triangle, from the right angled triangle PQR, we can write PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. So right. So what is PR? PR is 1 plus PQ. We can write here 1 plus PQ, which is Q square plus QR square. So here we can write down 1 plus 2 PQ plus PQ square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Square and PQ square get cancelled, right? So we get here 2 PQ 2 PQ equal to QR is 5 centimeter. So 5 square minus Side square minus 1 square. So PQ is equal to 25 minus 1 is 24. So 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. PQ is equal to, so this is 12. And next is, next we know that PR minus PQ. So what is the value of PR? PR is equal to 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ, which is equal to 1 plus 12, which is equal to 13 centimeter. So we got this one also, 13 centimeter. Right. Now we need to find out sine P. Now we need to find out sine P. Sine P. They are talking about this angle. They're talking about this angle. So opposite of this angle is this, right? So sine is what? Sine is so half T over. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So sine is 5 by 13. Then next is I need to find out sec, right? Sec P. Sec is basically 1 by cos. 1 by cos. So what is cos? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent here? Adjacent is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So 1 divided by 12 by 13, which is equal to 13 by 12. Understood? So we got here sec P. Sec P is equal to 13 by 12. So these two are the answers. Okay. Understood, Viraj, how I'm doing the sums. Let's do another example. If sine theta is equal to root over of 3 by 2 and cos cos phi cos phi is equal to 1 by root over of 1 by root over of, find the value of, find the value of tan theta minus tan phi plus tan theta into tan phi. Fine. So, so here sine and cos is given, right? So, so we need to find out tan. We need to find out tan. And we don't know the, this is sine. So what we can do, if we know this, we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And here sine theta value is given to us. So we write here the root over of 3 by 2 whole square plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right? And this implies to cos square theta equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4, right? And you can write this implies to cos square theta equal to 1 by 4. Now this implies cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So we got cos theta, right? So we can find out tan theta very easily. Now tan theta, now tan theta is equal to, we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta. So sin, the value of sin theta is root over of 3 by 2 divided by the value of cos theta is 1 by 2, which is equal to root over of 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 got cancelled, so I got root 3. Fine. So this is tan theta. Now we need to find out tan phi, right? And here cos phi is given. So we know that we know that we know that we know that sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. So here very simple answer, sin square phi is equal to 1 minus cos square phi is 1 by root over of 2. 1 by root over of 2 whole square. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore sin phi, sin square phi, sin square phi is equal to 1 by 2. And this implies to sin phi, sin phi is equal to 1 by root over of 2. Then what will be tan phi? So tan phi is equal to sin phi divided by cos phi. So sin phi is 1 by root over of 2 divided by cos phi. So cos phi is 1 by root over of 2, which is equal to 1 by root over of 2 into root over of 2 by 1, which is equal to 1. Fine. So tan phi we know that now tan phi is, so tan phi is 1. So which this implies to tan phi is equal to 1. So now we can find out the value of the sum. The sum is given to us, okay, tan theta minus tan phi divided by 1 plus tan theta into tan phi is equal to, so we know the value of tan theta, which is root over of 3, and tan phi the value is 1. So 1 plus root over of 3 into 1. So we got here root over of 3 minus 1 divided by root over of 3 plus 1. So now we do rationalizing, right? So we write here root over of 3 minus 1 divided by root over of 3 minus 1. So here we get root over of 3 ka whole square, root over of 3 minus 1 ka whole square, which is root over of 3 ka whole square minus 2 root over of 3 and plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So this is equal to root over of 3 ka whole square is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus 2 root over of 3 divided by 2. So this 2 can cancel this 4 and this 2 can cancel this 2, right? So we get here, we can take 2 common. So 2 plus root over of 3 divided by 2. So 2 can get cancelled. So we have the answer 2 plus root over of 3. This is the answer for this one. Right. So we can get this kind of sum in trigonometry exercise. I just put, this is how we can solve it. Let me do another example.
अच्छा, कुछ सुन भी नहीं रहा, दिख भी नहीं रहा अब।
अच्छा विराज, तुमको रिकॉर्डिंग पहुंचेगा ना, तुम उसमें से देख लेना एक बार आज। फिर जो डाउट होगा मेरे को कॉल करके
हाँ
पूछ
हाँ
लेना। ठीक है।
हाँ हाँ।
एक्चुअली तुम लोग का एरिया का इंटरनेट शायद डाउन है आज, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
हम्म।
मेरे को लगा मेरा डाउन है, तो हम चेक किया, मेरा तो ठीक है। तुम लोग क्या एयरटेल यूज़ करते हैं? एयरटेल?
हाँ।
एयरटेल का सर्वर आज डाउन है। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज, if 5 tan theta equal to 4, find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta। ठीक है ना? सो सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा इसका। सो 5 tan theta equal to 4, so tan theta is equal to 4 by 5। so let's तो tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू 4/5। तो फिर क्या करेंगे कि जो जो 5 साइन थीटा है, 5 साइन थीटा, ठीक है, माइनस 3 कॉस थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 5 साइन थीटा प्लस 2 कॉस थीटा। ठीक है, इन दोनों को अपने कॉस थीटा बाई कॉस थीटा से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, राइट। सो अपने लिख सकते हैं इसको इस तरीके से, मतलब हम लिखते हैं डिवाइडिंग, डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर and denominator by cos theta and denominator by cos theta। ठीक है ना? तो क्या आ जाएगा अपने पास? अपने पास आ जाएगा 5 sin theta by cos theta minus 3 cos theta, 3 cos theta by cos theta, fine, divided by 5 sin theta by cos theta plus 2 cos theta by cos theta। So cos theta cancel, right? Sin theta by cos theta क्या होता है? tan theta। तो अपने पास आ जाएगा 5 tan theta minus 3 divided by 5 tan theta plus 2। So we know the value of tan theta, that is 4/5। तो 5 into 4/5 minus 3 divided by 5 into 4/5 plus 2। तो 5 got cancelled, तो 4 minus 3 हो गया 1। ठीक है ना? एंड 4 plus 2 हो गया 6। तो आंसर आ गया 1/6। ठीक है ना? इस टाइप का सम्स मिलेगा, यू विल गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ सम्स इन योर एक्सरसाइज। ठीक है, तो विराज यू स्टार्ट डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज। जो भी प्रॉब्लम होता है ना सम्स का, तुम फोटो खींच के भेजो। अभी छुट्टी है ना विराज, पूरा खींच के पढ़ाई कर लो। ठीक है,
हम्म।
तो फिर मैं इतना ही रखता हूँ आज, और फिर कल करते हैं वापस। कल भी हॉलीडे है
हाँ
विराज?
सर।
हेलो? हेलो?
तो कल आप आएंगे ना?
हाँ हाँ, कल हम आएगा। हम पूछा था
हेलो।
कल हॉलीडे है विराज?
कल हॉलीडे है?
हाँ हाँ।
ओ,
नहीं, तुम्हारा कल हॉलीडे है?
हाँ सर, मेरा तो पूरा मंथ हॉलीडे है।
अच्छा, पूरा मंथ हॉलीडे है, तो अच्छा बात है, तो फिर हम थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, फिर कल
सर
हम
मेरा
हाँ बोलो।
जनवरी 13 तक छुट्टी है।
अरे बाप रे, जनवरी
मैं
30।
जनवरी हम्म,
तो अच्छा बात है, तब फिर तो हम लोग एकदम आराम से खींच के पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं।
हम्म,
चलो फिर हम कल आते हैं तुम्हारे पास, फिर तुम इसका प्रॉब्लम जितना हो सके आज पूरा रात वात जाग के पूरा कंप्लीट कर लें। ठीक है ना?
हम्म,
फिर जितना प्रॉब्लम होगा कल आके मैं सॉल्व कर दूंगा।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
हम्म, ओके,
ठीक है, कल हम जल्दी आएगा, करीब 2:30 ऐसे ऐसे टाइम पे आ जाएगा। 2:33 के आसपास हम आ जाएंगे।
ठीक है सर,
ठीक है।
ओके,
ओके, चलो बाय।
बाय।